Good morning, class. I'm here for you. Today's topic is arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Everyone want to know what is it. Basically, everybody learn before you start your schooling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody learns. If you learn these numbers before your school starting, so all these numbers are involved in their arithmetic progressions. So these are the what? These are the basic patterns. These are the basic patterns. There is 1 and 1 and 1 1 added to the all the numbers. So this is one is the basic patterns of arithmetic progression. So all these patterns we can do multiple way. We can do multiple way. They all looks good patterns. Let's now understand what is arithmetic progression. We know 4 favorite language. Everybody like that. That is what? First is number, second is diagram, third is variables, that is letter, and fourth one is words. Everybody know adds, multiply, and many things. So these 4 things are we will use in the arithmetic progression. How we learn all about the arithmetic progression. Let's do that first. Now we understand what is AP. चलिए हम सीखते हैं किस तरह से अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन को पैटर्न्स बनाते हैं विद द विजुअल एंड द डायग्राम्स एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ नंबर्स. So you see the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these numbers are in the form of pattern or easily acknowledged. So if we add these numbers 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so what we will get? We will get the number in the increasing order. तो हमारे पास क्या है 1 में प्लस 1 करा तो 2 आ गया, 2 में 1 3, 3 में 1 4, 4 में 1 5. So this way we complete this series. So after this series, basically this one is what a basically this one is a basic pattern. Now all now this is the basic pattern. Now we talk about some another patterns with the diagram. If we talk about a square box, if we talk about a square box means this is a one single box, right? And this is another box. There are 3 boxes. So this is another 5 box. So if you see that here are the 3 अलग-अलग patterns हैं. There are the 3 different patterns. If you see that here is the three, all the three are the different patterns. Like here is one here is a one square, and here is three square, and here is the five square. All these squares are like a pattern. If you see that all these pattern, here is one square. If you put it this pattern, this pattern diagram on this, so it looks like this. It becomes a square pattern. Again, then third one, put it here. Again it becomes a square. So this is the way we are making different patterns by the visualization and by the diagrams. Easily understood how they are making the patterns. 1, 3, 5. The semicircle. I draw a single line. Now you see that here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, and here is 4. Now you see that there is a attractive diagram which shows the pattern very efficiently. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this way we also show the patterns 1, 3, 4, 5, all the numbers, whatever we have the patterns to show with the diagram or the other way. Okay, now we discuss more diagrams with the patterns in an easy manner. You understood and you... Okay, now we draw another patterns. Easily understood. What are these? Now you see, here, now you see here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also a pattern. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we join these dots, You see, this is like a triangle. Now all these the dots makes a triangles. Okay, now makes a pattern another way. 1, 2 and 3. This is the another pattern. We easily see, right? So these patterns also converted to another pattern. You know how? Okay, tell you. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we join this, again it becomes a triangle. But you see that there is one pattern is behind this. What? This one is 1. If we join these points, 1, 2, 3. If we join this, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the another way you visualize the different patterns with the different diagrams. I think you should easily understand these patterns and the diagrams in the arithmetic progression. Basically, why I show you all these diagrams in the arithmetic progression. My intention is that the students will connect their concept easily to understood what is AP. That's why I show you all these attractive diagrams, and all these are to help you understand easily. AP is in the form of finite and non-finite. Finite and non-finite. Finite and non-finite AP. If we talk about first single digit number, in that single digit number there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are the single digit number. So these all are a series like a pattern. So this is the finite pattern because there is no a single number after the 9. If we talk about the month, like which month is the June. So June month we have how many days? We have 30 days. What are the numbers which is divisible by 5? तो सबसे पहले क्या 5 तारीख 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So these all are the numbers After this number, after this 30, there is no number in the month of June. So this is also a pattern. This is a finite AP, finite arithmetic progression. If we talk about the non-finite AP, like you add the you write the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and turn. It means there is no AND. There is no AND in the non-finite AP, because we know that the numbers never ending. So same way the odd numbers are never ending. So this one is also called a non-finite AP patterns. Write even number. What are they? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so and so. So this is the another non-finite AP. If we know basically what is finite, what is non-finite. Finite AP series is that series where the numbers are restricted. Non-finite, we can also say that infinite. So in that there is no number limits. There is no ending of this number. So this is the only one simple difference. Earlier we talked about the numbers as a pattern and the diagrams as a pattern. Now I will show you how the words means add and subtract all the patterns and by the variables. If this is a pattern, here is what? Here is first term is what? First term is 1. So we also denote that first term by A. So A is equal to 1. And after that we added the one number in that, then it becomes a 2. So if we find the difference, there is a one common difference. So common difference is what? It's denoted by D. So it's denoted by D. So D is what? D is equal to 2 minus 1. So is equal to 1. So D is also 1. So how we calculate the A? A is always the first number is a first pattern, is first term, and so A is always a first number is the first term, and when we find the difference, when we find the difference, the first term subtracted from the second term, we get the difference is 1. How we make the pattern? So basically there is a general formula, like A is the first term, second A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so infinite. So you see, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and nth term. So I think you understand easily how we get the patterns if we put the numbers on these things. We have A is the 1 and D is 1. So if we want to make a pattern, so first is 1, Second, a plus d means a is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. A is 1 plus 2 into a, d is 1. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So this way you calculate the patterns 1, 2, 3, and all the patterns you have to calculate all the ways. Everybody knows cricket. So if we have the 2020 match, 1 over how many balls? 6 ball. Second over 12 ball. Third over 18 ball. Fourth over 24 ball. Fifth over 30 ball. And so. The 20th 120 number. It means you see the over is 1 by 1 over increased and the number was increased. So you know, see the two patterns are there. There is one number is added and here are plus 6 number is added to all the patterns. So you easily make the two different patterns in a visualized measurement in the cricket match also. I think you will learn the arithmetic progression easily understood by all the diagrams and all the numbers, how we looks the patterns, how we learn by the experiencing all the diagrams with the numbers easily. So thanks for watching me and thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.